Welcome to the CART EMR Lab video tutorial series. In this section, we will be covering setting the X and Y zero locations for user-defined work offsets on a Nomad 883 using the GRBL Controller app. When you are ready to set the XY work coordinates, use the XY jog buttons to position the tool over the left corner closest to the front of the table. You do not need to be exact, as we will take care of that in the next steps. Just get close so when we slow down the movement, it doesn't take too long to get to the final position. Before setting the final position, we want to adjust the movement rate of the axis. Tap in the area indicated to bring up the rate adjustment dialog. Set the jog rate by tapping the XY low button, which should set the value to 0.10. This will slow down the movement rate and reduce the increment to a level that will help with greater precision. After verifying that the rate has been set to the desired value, tap the OK button to accept the dialog settings. Once the rates have been adjusted, use the XY jog buttons to position the tool over the left corner closest to the front of the table, so that the center of the tool is lined up with the edge of the material. Make sure that when you do this, you are looking straight down the side of the material and you are not off to one side or the other. Align the tool as shown for both the X and Y axis. When you have the X and Y axis positioned correctly, tap the X0 and Y0 buttons to set the work coordinate system to 0. Be sure to read the confirmation message every time. If the message is confirming that you are setting the axis location, then click Yes. Be sure to repeat the process for both the X and Y axis. After zeroing the X and Y axis, you should see that the work position values are at 0. Occasionally, you will get a very small discrepancy in the last decimal place. This is due to a small rounding error in the software and won't affect the process. This wraps up the section on work offsets for the Nomad 883 and the GRBL Controller app. Thank you and good luck.